Good day. Today we want to explain to you how a rammer, compaction rammer from Talisman Hire works. A compaction rammer is manufactured by various suppliers, either by Wacker or by Mikasa. In Talisman Group, we specifically use the Mikasa rammers. The compaction specifications for it is 12.7 kilonewton force. It impacts at 650 blows per minute, and the fuel consumption is 0.88 liters per minute. Just note that this compaction rammer needs to be compacted from the outside to the inside, as explained in this video, where we are compacting a base area for a pillar to be casted. The average compaction depth is about 3 to 5 passes on 350 milliliters of soil compaction. I hope this helped. Please try us, and for much more and any other compaction equipment available at Talisman Hire Strand, 267 Main Road. Thank you.